money. It's something we all use. We earn it. We spend it. But how many of us really understand it? Financial literacy is more than just knowing how to balance a checkbook or open a bank account. It's about understanding how money works and making informed decisions about your finances. It's about having the knowledge and skills to manage your money effectively now and in the future. In today's world, financial literacy is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Without it, we're more susceptible to debt, financial scams, and poor financial decisions that can have long-lasting consequences. That's why teaching financial literacy in schools is so important. The statistics on financial literacy are alarming. Despite living in one of the wealthiest nations in the world, many Americans struggle to understand basic financial concepts. A 2020 study by the National Financial Educators Council found that only 34% of Americans feel financially literate. This means that a significant majority of the population lacks the knowledge to make informed financial decisions. The study also revealed that 78% of adults live paycheck to paycheck, which puts them in a precarious financial situation where any unexpected expense can lead to a crisis. And a staggering 63% don't have enough savings to cover a $500 emergency. This lack of a financial safety net leaves many vulnerable to debt and financial instability. This lack of financial knowledge has real consequences. It leads to higher levels of debt, increased stress, and difficulty achieving financial goals like buying a home or retiring comfortably. The emotional toll of financial stress can also affect relationships and overall well-being. Without proper financial education, many are left to navigate these challenges on their own, often making costly mistakes along the way. Clearly, we're facing a financial literacy crisis. The lack of financial education in schools means that young people are not being equipped with the skills they need to manage their finances effectively. Our young people are graduating without the basic financial skills they need to navigate the complexities of the modern world. This gap in education leaves them unprepared for real-life financial decisions, from managing student loans to budgeting for daily expenses. Teaching financial literacy in schools can have a profound impact on students' lives. By introducing these concepts at a young age, we can empower them to make smart financial choices and avoid common pitfalls. Students who receive financial education are more likely to create and stick to a budget, save money regularly, understand the importance of investing, avoid high-interest debt, and make informed decisions about credit cards and loans. These skills not only benefit students personally, but they also contribute to a more financially stable society overall. Schools are the perfect place to teach financial literacy. They provide a structured environment where students can learn these essential life skills alongside their academic subjects. By integrating financial education into the curriculum, we can ensure that all students have access to this critical knowledge, regardless of their background or socioeconomic status. Moreover, schools can leverage the expertise of teachers and financial professionals to deliver engaging and age-appropriate lessons. They can also provide hands-on learning opportunities, such as simulations and real-world projects, to help students apply their knowledge and develop practical skills. Empowering parents. Financial education at home. While schools play a crucial role, parents are also essential partners in teaching financial literacy. The home environment provides a unique opportunity for children to learn about money management in a practical and hands-on way. By reinforcing these lessons at home, parents can help their children develop responsible financial habits that will last a lifetime. This can include simple activities like using a piggy bank or more complex tasks like budgeting for a family trip. Here are a few tips for parents. Talk about money openly. Discuss your financial decisions and explain why you make them. Don't make it a taboo subject. The more comfortable you are discussing money, the more likely your children will feel confident in managing their own finances. Involve your kids in financial decisions. Let them see how you plan and budget for household expenses. Let them help with budgeting or grocery shopping. Encourage saving. Show them how setting aside a little money regularly can add up over time. Help them set goals and track their progress. Celebrate their achievements to keep them motivated. Set a good example. Practice good financial habits yourself. Children learn a lot by observing their parents. Remember, teaching kids about money doesn't have to be complicated. Use everyday moments as teaching opportunities. Start small, be consistent, and make it fun. Financial education is a journey, and every step counts. A brighter future, the impact of financial literacy. Imagine a future where financial literacy is the norm, not the exception. Picture classrooms where students are not just learning to read and write, but also understanding the value of money, how to budget, and the importance of saving and investing. A generation empowered to make sound financial decisions, free from the burden of debt and financial insecurity. Young adults confidently discussing their financial plans, celebrating milestones like paying off student loans and using technology to manage their finances effectively. This is the future we can create by investing in financial education today. Teachers play a crucial role, breaking down complex financial concepts into understandable lessons and engaging students in interactive workshops that make learning about finance fun and practical. A financially literate generation means stronger individuals equipped to achieve their financial goals and build a secure future. Imagine young professionals confidently navigating their careers, couples planning their finances together, and individuals reaching their financial milestones with a sense of accomplishment. Thriving families, experiencing less financial stress and greater stability and well-being. Parents passing on their knowledge to their children, creating a cycle of financial wisdom that benefits generations to come, and a robust economy with informed consumers and investors driving economic growth and prosperity. Imagine bustling stock markets, confident investors making informed decisions, and a society where financial literacy fuels innovation and progress. By teaching financial literacy in schools, we're not just impacting individual lives, we're shaping a brighter future for everyone. A future where knowledge empowers, opportunities abound, and financial security is within everyone's reach. Overcoming obstacles, implementation and resources. Implementing financial literacy programs in schools does come with challenges. Some argue that schools are already overburdened, while others cite a lack of qualified teachers or resources. However, these obstacles are not insurmountable. We can overcome them by prioritizing financial education, recognizing its importance, and making it a core part of the curriculum, providing teacher training to equip educators with the knowledge and skills to teach financial literacy effectively, and utilizing available resources by partnering with financial institutions and non-profit organizations to access free or low-cost materials. By addressing these challenges head-on, we can make financial education a reality for all students. A call to action: investing in our children's future. Financial literacy is not just an educational issue, it's an investment in our children's future and the future of our society. We must urge policymakers, educators, and parents to make financial education a priority. We need to advocate for mandatory financial literacy courses to ensure all students graduate with basic financial knowledge. Increased funding for financial education programs to provide schools with the resources they need. And parental involvement to encourage parents to reinforce financial literacy at home. Together we can make a difference. Let's invest in our children's financial well-being and build a brighter future for all. Conclusion: building a financially secure future. Financial literacy is not a privilege, it's a right. Every child deserves the opportunity to learn how to manage money responsibly and build a secure financial future. By making financial education a priority in schools and at home, we can empower the next generation to make informed financial decisions and achieve their dreams. Let's work together to build a world where financial literacy is the norm, not the exception. A world where everyone has the knowledge and skills to achieve financial freedom and prosperity.